going to be replacing the battery on an Acer C722. So you just want to flip the unit over and take the bottom cover screws out. Once those screws are out, then you can just pop the bottom cover off. Then there's no screws holding in the battery, so you can just unplug the battery and take it out. So you just want to grab your new battery and put it back into place. And then you can plug the battery in. And then you can grab your bottom cover and snap it back on. And now you can put the screws back into the bottom cover. Now if you want to verify the repair, you can open up the unit. And just in case, we're going to plug the AC adapter in. And if you get to this screen and you see the battery symbol, then that means that the battery replacement was successful. So now you can shut down the unit.